Hello, welcome to Peace Love Houseplants. My name is Heather. Today I'm going to show you some of my largest plants, some of my most mature philodendron, and we're going to give them a little spa day. All right, thanks for sticking around. So this is my black cardinal. We're just going to jump right into it. This is my big black cardinal philodendron. Let me just give you like a little perspective, the size of the leaf. So I got this little guy a couple of years ago. Try to find the date that I purchased this plant or received the plant, because I do have a pretty good record of most of my plants. So that is my giant black cardinal philodendron. We've been together for years. I've never cut it, never once. And yeah, she's just neat. I just love this plant. And then over here we've got my Philodendron giganteum blizzard. And so happy to say I finally got it in a bright enough light that it produced this variegation, because you can see this is when I moved it. This is the new leaf. I have cut this plant before, and I did put it in a bin and in some pretty bright light, and it did grow some leaves like this, the little offset or the little propagation. So that actually went on to live with someone else, and that's always exciting. Yeah, the Philodendron giganteum blizzard, and she does get giganteum. So that's a future me problem, but a pretty cool plant, and I'm gonna let it stick around until it doesn't fit in the house anymore, I guess. So I'm just gonna wash them up really quick and put them back, and we will move on to the rest of the big plants that already got their little spa treatment. So I just went to take the last two philodendrons back and then realized there was another one. So this is my Philodendron Summer Glory. I put her in a crawling pot. This leaf. This new leaf suffered a little bit. I have a tendency to let these dry out because they're like up on the top of the shelf, and who can be bothered to get the stepladder out and actually take care of the plants? But somehow they've managed to keep growing despite my neglect. But this is a beautiful plant. If you've never seen it, the emerging leaf comes out like a baby pink and then slowly hardens off. But you can see the back of the leaf maintains like a blush. So yeah, this is a big old plant. Oh, that's my hair. It's a big plant, and we're going to give it a little wash down, and now we'll get back to the other plants. We'll give it a little wash. We'll get back to the other plants. Okay. We've also got my Philodendron rhinoxii, which is kind of a weird one, but I've had it forever, but I just neglected it. So it's finally growing. It's pretty cool. And then my gigantic mayoi that is like covered in spider mites because I neglect it. And that is what happens. So we're gonna give it like a massive spray down. And we're gonna spray it with the water. So really annoying, but it's like my fault. I accept. But I don't think they've been there long, considering the leaves don't look super damaged, but still crappy. I really do not like having them, like they could catch a breeze in the plant room and land on something else. It's very annoying. Basically, when I want to spray them, I just turn on my shower and give them a really good spray. Wash off all the gross leaves, dusty, spider mitey leaves. And then, yeah, we'll do the same with the rhinoxii, and then I'll actually get in and get a little underneath these leaves as well. So yeah, Philodendron mayoi, freaking massive. Let me just show you the size of these leaves. Here's one of them right here. I got this as just the tiniest little baby. So it loved it when I finally cut it. It's gotten massive. All right, moving on. So I keep these large plants on the very top of my racks. This is the lighting that I've got going on for them right here. And then this is over here in this blank spot. That is where the summer glory sits. Then there's the gigantium, the black cardinal, and then, oh, we've got a cute Hoya that's like totally growing like a little wiener thing. And then a big old biliate, and I will admit I did not buy it this large, but if you can see that smaller leaf in the back there, maybe this leaf, those were the size of the leaves. But these leaves are grown in my care, so it's really grown a bunch. And I just like it. I wanted one for so long, and I don't know. Now that I have it, and it grows kind of dumb, but I don't care, it's cute. I don't know, it'll be a statement piece. So this one right here is my massive ring of fire, growing another flower. It's actually growing a second flower. Did I chop this one? I did chop it. So we'll just let it like grow and see what happens. It's not as variegated as I would like, but she's cute and she's big. And then here's my Philodendron Pluto. She is also getting big. I did give her a little chop. The propagation doesn't look good. It probably won't look good for a while, but I don't know, it's grown some new leaves. It's cute. I don't know how long it's gonna last here, but these two are like friends, you know? So yeah, they all just sit like right up here on the top. And that's how they've gotten so large. It's how they get neglected. But we're taking good care of them today. Well, that was a quick one, but I just wanted to let you guys see my big old plants, and I'm still up on the step stool, but we're just gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to see your big plants. Tell me your stories. Tell me something. You know, like the video, subscribe to the channel. All that stuff is good. Let's grow together. Look at my anthurium. Aren't they pretty?